What's going on, everyone? Back here with another reset. Today we're going to do the Motorola G Play 2023. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it's going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. Also, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, we got a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming down. But other than that, let's get right into this. You want to make sure the phone's off. In this case, it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold the volume down and power at the same time. I'll try to do it from this angle so you guys can see it a little bit better. It should load right into your bootloader over here, and then use your volume buttons to navigate, your power buttons to select it. And we want to navigate where it says recovery mode and hit the power button. And this takes a minute to load, but it should load to the no command screen just like that. When you get here, what you want to do is you want to hold power and tap volume up and just release really quick. So hold power, tap volume up. There you go. And this gets you to your actual reset options. So you want to scroll down with the volume buttons, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Power buttons to confirm, hit the power button, confirm again. Deleting, done. Now we can either reboot or power off. In this case, I'm just going to power it off. But if you turn it back on, then it's going to load to the welcome screen, and from there you can navigate the phone to the home screen and set it up like new. So that is how you do a hard reset on a Moto G Play 2024. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to let us know. And then thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.